This is Reece Smith for Anatomy 1. What is the function of the skeleton? There are 4 functions to the skeleton. 1 being support and structure, which gives our bodies their shape and attachment for muscles. 2, protection of vital organs. The skeleton protects our body's vital organs, such as the ribs protect the heart and lungs, and the cranium protects the brain. Our skeleton allows the body to move. Our skeleton allows our body to move, as without bones we wouldn't be able to move. Our skeleton also produces red blood cells, which transport oxygen and other important minerals around the body to muscles. How is the skeletal system divided? The skeletal system is divided into 2 parts, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton contains the cranium, the ribs, the sternum, and the vertebrae, all in green here. The axial The function of these bones is not only to provide support and structure, but for the protection of vital organs. The appendicular skeleton, which includes the radius, ulna, femur, humerus, carpals, tarsals, and more, all in purple here. The main function of this part of the skeleton is movement. What different types of bones are there, and how they differ in terms of structure? There are 4 types of bones. Long bones, which provide structure and support. To define a long bone, it is longer than it is wide. An example of a long bone would be a femur. Next we have flat bones. They are for protection. They protect our body's vital organs, and the cranium is made up of flat bones that fuse together during growth. Short bones, which are approximately as wide as they are long, they provide structure and stability with little movement. An example would be carpals in the wrist or tarsals in the ankle. Irregular bones. These bones don't have any fixed shape or structure. They make up the vertebrae in the spinal column and the jawline. They provide rotation and flexion, and also structure. And the sesamoid bones, which are sesamoid bones are either irregular bones or short bones that are embedded with a tendon. An example would be a patella in the knee. What are the different types of joints in the body? Fibrous joints are joints that are immovable. A perfect example of a fibrous joint would be the cranium. Cartilaginous joint is a joint that is only slightly movable. A good example would be the vertebrae. It has a slight movement and allows some rotation and flexion, but also support. And not really the joint for movement, which is the synovial joint. It's freely movable. An example would be the hip joint, a ball and socket, as it isn't restricted. Mineral storage. Bones store minerals. Calcium and phosphorus are the most common minerals in the skeleton. Their function is to help breathing and movement, and they become stronger. Breathing and movement, bones become stronger by calcium. Thank you.